Hi friends, this is Krishna. Welcome to my channel. As you've seen on the thumbnail, or as you see now, we've drawn a little girl. This girl kind of looks like my little sister Gianna. She's going to preschool and it kind of looks like her. So I'm just gonna call it a preschool girl. If you would like to learn how to draw this amazing preschool girl with me, then make sure to keep on watching this video so you can learn how to make it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. I hope you enjoy this one. Make sure to keep on watching our videos if you enjoy this one. Alright, let's begin drawing our girl. First, we're gonna open our markers. Now, we're gonna make the girl's head. We're gonna make a big U shape at the middle of your paper. Now we're gonna make a line for the girl's hair. One straight line. Now we're gonna make a semicircle. A semicircle is a half circle. Now we're gonna make the girl's neck. We're gonna make one little line coming down from the face and another line. Now we're gonna draw the shoulders. We're gonna make another straight line coming down from here, and we're gonna curve little edges over there. Now we're gonna make the hands. We're gonna make one line down, and then we're gonna make a little curve. Now we're gonna make a straight line, and if you want, you can make that a little bit more curvy. We're gonna make a straight line going down, and another straight line going down, and then you can connect your curve. Now we're gonna make the dress. We're gonna make one curve coming outward, and then we're gonna make little squiggly lines. Now it's time to finish off the skirt. We're gonna make one line, and then 3 lines coming out from that, so it looks like little frillies on a skirt. Then we're gonna make the hands. We're gonna make one little line, and another little line from this arm portion. Now we're gonna make the legs. We're gonna do one line coming down and another line coming down. So if you want, you can pretend there's an invisible line coming down from here, and then you can go down like this. 'Cause are your legs smaller than your body? Now we're gonna make another line coming down from there. Make sure it's almost the same size as this. And if you want, you can make the legs a little bit further by making a little more lines. Now we're gonna make the shoes. We're gonna finish off the legs, and we're gonna make one bump here, and then we're gonna extend that bump. Now we're gonna finish that off and then do the same thing on the other shoe. Now we already have our legs, our hands, and our dress. Now we need to finish off the hair. We're gonna make one little line coming down. Make sure that line's a little curved at the edge. Then we'll do the same thing on the other side of the hair. Then we're gonna make a squiggly line. Now we're done with our main portion. So now we're gonna draw the face. So first, I'm gonna make 2 ovals for the eyes. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna make one semicircle here and another semicircle here. And then we're gonna make a tiny little oval and then color in the extra part. I'm gonna add eyelashes on my girl. So I'm gonna make one line coming up from the eye and another line. Make sure it's tilting a little. Now we're gonna make the nose. We're gonna make an upside down U shape. And then we're gonna make a smiley face. We're gonna make a little or big U shape, a wide U shape. And now you're done with your girl. If you want, you can add little lines above the hair and on the bottom. And if you want, you can make a little heart or a little shape over here to make it look cute. But now we're done. So I'm gonna fast forward this part when I color this girl. If you want, you can pause the video now so you can catch up on my drawing.